What's going on, guys? Gaming Unchained here with another YouTube video. Today I'll be playing Smashy Road Wanted. And if you guys don't already know how the game works, you are a car and you have to try to get money and get a high score, and you have to survive for a long time, and you could run into cops, like smash into cops, and it will give you extra score. You can see my score up in the corner right there. Oh yeah, and right now I have an epic car. Hopefully I might be able to buy a car after this video. You have to get 100 cash to get a car. Shoot. And this is how you get caught if you get trapped by the cops for a certain amount of time. Oh shoot. And I just destroyed my car and ran into a rock. Alright, at 80 coins. Right now I'm not trying to get a really high score. I'm just trying to get new cars, because I just started in. Ooh! Yeah, if you stay on this line, most of the time you'll go through like buildings like this. But sometimes like there's gonna be that one building that's in your way. Come on. I'm doing so bad right now. Trying to get in there. Holy, get in. Yeah. Got arrested. Holy. And comment down below what game do you want me to play next. And yeah. What the heck? What just happened? It's a glitch. That's a glitch. Alright. I'm not too good at this game. Dodge that. As you can see, when I'm older, I'm probably gonna crash cars a lot. Oh my god. Oh, shoot! Oh yeah, if you don't know what these things do, they blow up. I'm gonna try to get a cop. Yeah, if you hit them, they blow up. Arrested. Right now, I'm just trying to get a car. I'm not trying to get a really high score. You need 100 cash to get one car. Okay, I'm on the line. Nothing could stop me. Shoot. Oh, damn it. Ooh, did you guys see that glitch? I ran into the thing that was about to fall down and just came back up. Shoot. Get out of here. Oh, frick. Great, now my car's smoking. Give me up. Okay, I need some of that coin. I need some cash. And great, I keep hitting. Oh my god. I'm gonna die any second now. Smoking. Even more. Whoa. 87 cash. Okay. Ooh, a little racetrack here. Come on, get me. Okay. These usually have a few. 1, 2. All I want to do is get to 90 this. Yes. Oh yeah, and if you guys haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button if you're new, and smash that like button if you want me to do more content like this. And do you guys want a face cam, or do you not want a face cam? Because I can do a face cam. Shoot, my money. Oh my god. Oh, frick, no. Okay. Nope, don't die. Okay. Oh no, I'm smoking. Okay. Wreck that car. What is that car doing? Come on, just give me the money. Oh shoot, give me that last one. Holy controls. I'm smoking. If I hit something, I'm dead. I'm dead. Well, I got 5 stars. Okay, 4 more cash to go. I should do it on this round. Shoot, no, no. Yeet. Okay, got that. Oh my god, I'm doing horrible. Oh yeah, and also go subscribe to my brother's YouTube channel. It's Rylan Jykran. God. He also, I'm in some of his videos. I'm only in like one of those. I'm in some of his videos over there. Please, give me the monies. Got it. Holy, am I trying to like? Okay, I'm at 100 now. Okay, nice. I might try to juke cops into the water, or juke myself into the water. All right. See what car I get. Okay. Every single one of you people who smash that like button, that will be one more chance of getting a legendary. Legendary. Common. Oh my god. Oh god. Alright, let's see what this got. This is slow. See, it's drifts. Okay, drifts. But they can't get me. My money. Oh my god. I just want to sell some ice creams to kids. That's all I wanted to do. Kids, you want some ice cream? Kids, you want some ice cream? Before I get arrested. Right? Okay, I think that will wrap it up for the video today. And peace out.